Action.
How has EFL teaching changed me? That's a really good question. Never took the time to think about it. I think it's given me confidence in myself as a teacher. Because I came from a legal background, I didn't go to school to study education, and so many times I struggled with the imposter syndrome and feeling like I didn't know all the terms and I didn't know, all the right techniques. But over time, I've seen that it does matter, but you can get by and you can learn a lot from your students. And it's been really rewarding. It's been nice to have a career that actually makes a difference. So I think that's how it's changed me.
Excellent. Thank you.